Hello, Crazy Food Lady here, back with another food video after much longer than I had meant to be. I'm going to make rhubarb scones. So I have cut up, it's 2 cups of rhubarb. Because it's later in the season, I went with thinner stalks of rhubarb where possible. And now I'm going to just dump some sugar on them. Do I measure? No, we do not measure. And we're going to stir that up. We want to make sure that there's kind of sugar coating all of them so they look a little like this. I should have used a bigger bowl. That could be my catchphrase. Now once these are sitting here, they'll sit, and I'll work on the rest of the scones, which are basically my regular scone recipe, and add these towards the end, and it'll be awesome. Okay, so this recipe calls for flour, sugar, eggs, butter, buttermilk, baking powder, salt, and baking soda. And I am substituting a combination of cream and whey for my buttermilk. You can use milk, you can use yogurt. This recipe is very, very forgiving. So let's go. Start by throwing in the dry ingredients and get those all mixed up. Then we add most of the wet ingredients, but not all of them. Because some get used on the top. You kind of brush it on like an egg wash would be. And then you mix in, depending on whether you're using fruit, fresh fruit, or dried fruit, will determine where you add that. So you could make this with as more savory with like wild rice. So. Here are the finished scones. The ones in the front are the ones that I didn't push down, so they're a little taller but less big. Ones in the back are the ones that I flattened a little bit. Interestingly enough, the ones in the front cooked a couple minutes faster, and they got a little bit nicer browning to them.